Hello, my name is Kiran Pange. Today is 19th July and topic for today's video is string buffer and string builder. So in Java there are three classes that are being used for storing sequence of characters, that is string buffer and string builder. These are three classes used to store a sequence of characters. So everything, it can be alphanumeric characters, everything you write in double inverted quotes is the string. Means the string is defined in such a way that the characters, it is sequence of characters enclosed in double inverted comma. We all know that string is immutable. Immutable means the one who is not changeable. Means if we create object, then that object is not being changed anyhow. If you forcefully want to make changes in that, then you should create another object, but you can't change the original object. So for example, if I created one object, that is string a is equal to hi in double inverted comma. So hi is the object and a is the reference variable pointing towards that object. So what I want to do, there is another variable called b, reference variable pointing to the same object hi, but I want to make changes in hi, means the reference variable pointing towards object hi. I want to make changes in that. I want to concat that with Kiran. So hi Kiran, I want to make that changes in that object. So I am not allowed to do that as our string is immutable. So what I will do, I will use assignment operator. I will just simply write s is equal to s1 dot concat and I will write in that Kiran. So now the object will become hi Kiran, but your b will remain as it is. Your b is not going to change. It will also will pointing towards the object hi, means the original object. But what will happen with the previous a, which was pointing towards hi? Then that object, means that reference variable will go in garbage collector. So if you want to make changes, then you have to create another object. This will increase your size of, it will load on the size of memory. Also the time it is also time consuming and load on the memory. So for example, if I want to make changes also, and I don't want to make another object, I want to make changes in that object only. So I want my object to be mutable. So in that case we will use string buffer and string builder. Both are same, there are minor changes, so I will discuss that also. But the main purpose of string builder and string buffer is that our string is immutable. To overcome these disadvantages of string, the string builder and string buffers are used. So they are mutable. You can make changes in that, and if you want to make changes, you can do that. Then we know that if you store string, means the object is stored at SCP, that string constant pool or heap memory. But in both string buffer and string builder, the objects are stored at heap memory. So this is the means, for example, I have one code, I have one program. In that program, what is happening, that the string, I have defined some string, and that string is means continuously being updated or continuously being used by some threads, or it is continuously means it is continuously being changed at time to time. So if I means declare that using string only, so every time if it is going to be changed, then new object will be created and the previous will go in the garbage collector. So there will be a lot of data in the garbage collector. So I don't want that. I want to make that program and program less complex, the time complexity, and also the program complexities should be less. So I don't want to means create garbage objects. So instead of that, what I will use string buffer or string builder. This will means reduce, sorry, this will reduce your means the disadvantages, or it will suppress the disadvantage of string, that the garbage objects that are going to be produced after the object is being changed is totally deleted, means it totally vanished. So using string buffer and string builder, the main purpose is to if you want some, if you in your code, if there is some condition that your string is going to be changed by the time, or it is going to be changed frequently, then why should we go with string? Because it is immutable. So to change that object, I have to create another object. So what is the significance of the first object? It will be anyhow go in the garbage collector. So instead of that, what I will use string buffer and string builder. So in the string builder and string buffer, as they are also classes from the java.lang package as of our string, means same as of our string, so there are various methods in it also, like append is method in string buffer, and it is used, means it has operations such as our concatenation. So for string manipulation, various operations are, or various methods are being already declared in the string buffer class that is present in the java.lang package. There are various methods, as I discussed previously. Append is used to concate, and even if you concate or append, that will not change that object, means you don't have need to create another object. In that object only you can change. Then next is if you want to change some what do you say, some character at certain index, then you can change that also. If you want to delete from, for example, there is a hello Kiran, so I want to delete from index 2 to index 4, then I will give the start index, I will give you end index, and that the in between string will be deleted. Means not in between, means in between it will start with the start and it will end at end -1. So all the objects between that will be deleted. The start is included but end is excluded. So there are various such operations, so we know that in string also there is concat, but if you are going to concat, then you should create another object. So these some limitations are being totally been means overcome in string buffer and string builder. Then what is difference between string builder and string buffer? So string builder and string builder anyhow same, they both are mutable, both their objects are being stored at heap memory, both are being used to what you say, reduce the limitation of string, that is immutability. But if you want thread safety, then you should go with the string buffer. And if you want, if as the string builder is not synchronized, so it can be called by, the method can be called by various threads simultaneously, but in the string buffer it is not possible as it is synchronized, so it is not possible. But if you want thread safety, then you should go with the string buffer, then that time string builder is not going to work. So but as comparison with both, the string buffer is not that much fast. The string builder is faster than string buffer. Then it is more what you say, it is more convenient, and it is more being used due to its as it is faster than string buffer. So these are some differences in string buffer and string builder. So thank you.